My hair has never, ever felt this soft before.
Hey, really ain't no need for waiting. Every day feel like it's a celebration. Good times, good vibes, gotta turn it up. Tune in to Bellamy see ya. Hey, we having fun, cracking jokes, what we gotta do. Talking hair care, and it's all natural. Can't forget about the family, you know how mama do.
Alright beauty, so jumping right in, this is the lineup that I have for my extreme aloe vera avocado protein treatment for massive hair growth. It's been a minute since I created a aloe vera based hair mask, and girl, I need it. For those of you that don't know, I recently got my hair colored and I'm trying to keep this color up, okay hunty? So if you guys want to see how I created this jam packed intense protein mask, just keep on watching. Alright, so the first ingredient is going to be my tried and true coconut oil, because we all know that coconut oil for black hair is a total game changer. It reduces protein loss, it's easily absorbed deep into the hair shaft, so you know it's not going to sit on top of your hair, and it also prevents damage while your hair is wet, which is very beneficial. Next up is mayo, and I know what y'all thinking, okay?
I am not about to add mayo to my hair, making my hair smell all stink and stuff. Listen.
Mayo not only adds shine and strength, but it has high amounts of protein to help strengthen and thicken your hair follicles. It also deeply moisturizes your hair and promotes hair growth, reverses damage from heat and colorant, which y'all know I need that, okay? I need that. I know we often hear that avocados have good fats for eating, but they also have good fats for our hair. Not only does it prevent hair loss and promote longer, healthier hair, but it also provides a natural sunscreen to protect our hair from the sun. In addition to that, it reduces frizz and is great for people with dry and damaged hair. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood, which is the next ingredient in the lineup. It's jam-packed with vitamin A, E, biotin, and folate, but the yolk is where it's at. That's where it's loaded with a whole bunch of healthy fats to help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Next up is aloe vera, which is the star of this protein treatment mask. It increases the softness and manageability of your hair. It promotes pH balance to the hair, the scalp, and the skin. It's also very anti-inflammatory. It protects against UV radiation, preserves color and shine, which is what your girl needs. But the main reason why I effort your girl is for that hair growth, okay? That hair be growing. I'm talking about bundles, bundles, bundles.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Okay, so once I'm done cutting up the aloe vera leaf and extracting the gel, I just use the skin and put it in a Ziploc bag to basically store for when I need it, to use it on my skin, to use it on my hair, my scalp. Aloe vera is so medicinal, it's like impossible to throw away any of the actual leaf. I know you're probably wondering what the heck is this big white cloth. It's actually a cheesecloth that I'm using to strain the aloe vera gel after I blend it. Sometimes if you do not strain the aloe vera gel, you'll end up with like chunks of aloe vera pieces in your hair, and that's not fun to take out. And that also isn't not fun, it's also kind of irritating to the scalp. So it's just key that you strain your aloe vera gel after you blend it to make sure everything goes in your hair nice and smooth. So this is basically what you're left with after you strain the aloe vera gel. So now we can begin to add all the other ingredients that I mentioned in the beginning of this video into the blender to begin to make our aloe vera avocado protein treatment. I forgot to mention that I ended up adding bananas to this protein treatment. Bananas contain silica, a mineral that produces collagen that makes our hair very strong and thick. So I was like, why not? It's ripening. Let's just add it to the mix.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance.
Alright guys, so now that we're done making our treatment, let's get into this hair. So right now, I got my hair in this protective style. It's just 2 flat twists, and we're about to get to the scalp with this Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil. As you can see, I transferred the treatment mask into this applicator bottle to make it easier to get to every strand of my hair. Also, y'all, sometimes when I make this mask, it gets very messy and it's like all over the floor. And I'm trying to save as much as this mask as possible. Y'all saw all the ingredients that went into it, okay? And we ain't trying to waste nothing.
Tell me something, it might just take the pain away. See, I've been thinking a million things I want to say. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering to your lips.
Did y'all see the bottle explode while I was trying to apply this protein treatment to my hair? Like, the ghetto. Anyway, I finished the whole applicator bottle in my hair, so I wanted to show you guys how I store the rest of the treatment that I had left over. I basically poured it into this small little container, and once I'm done, I popped the lid on it and just put it in the freezer.
6.5 hours later.
Shower, shower, shower time. It's time to wash this hair of mine. All right, guys, welcome back to my shower. It's late, clearly because I'm yawning already, okay? But I did wear this treatment outside, so you could say it's like a treatment on the go. And right now, I'm about to wash it out and continue with my regular wash day routine. So here I am doing what I always do when I get in the shower, running away from the cold ass water. But once I get the water to a decent temperature, I start to saturate my hair with the water, being sure to get it soaking wet before I start my washing process. So the shampoo we're using today is Trader Joe's Nourish Spa shampoo, and we're going to use this to cleanse my hair at least 2 times.
See, I'm trying to keep it cool while I'm hovering for the kiss. 'Cause I've been needing you like old-fashioned orange slice, sweet like daiquiri with strawberry crushed ice. Know you like a margarita with the hot spice. Love the taste of paradise.
My hair has never, ever felt this soft before. Like, this is nuts. Like, what?
No, it's never been the right time. Like we're holding back the storyline. And I'm waiting at the end of the night, thinking of you.
Alright guys, so I'm finally finished with my hair. As you guys saw, it took little to no time for me to do. I just had Dimitri come and touch my hair, and that man was like shook. Like, it just feels really, really silky, like really soft and just freaking moisturized. Like, even my product in my hair is applying so good. Like, I'm excited to see what it's gonna be like in the morning. But for tonight, because it's like really late, it's actually in the morning right now, it's like 2 in the morning, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plait my hair. For those of you guys that don't know, I think I've done it on my channel before, but I'm gonna do it again. Satin scrunchie, shower cap, and then I'm gonna tie it with a headscarf before I go to sleep. But because I'm gonna take a shower after this, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do real quick. See the difference in my voice? That's how you know it's late.
Took your number from a friend, but I never call. I started writing a DM, didn't sleep at all. Not awake that night.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. As you guys can see, I still have my scarf on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my hair is looking like after wet popping my hair in the shower. So basically, as you can see, my curls are very juicy. It's been marinating all night. You know, like when you season chicken overnight, that's basically what I did to my hair when I wet popped it. So let's see what it's looking like. I know it's not gonna be dry, but yeah guys, do y'all see the results? It's nice and juicy. It's still wet, all right? It's still wet. So I just wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like straight out of wet popping. Next, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after it's dry. If by the end of the day it's not dry, I'm probably gonna diffuse it. The curls is curling. I don't know what y'all think, but for me, I feel like the curls is curling. That mask is, whoo, French kiss. So I will see you guys at the end of today when my hair is 100% dry.
Ladies, and more ladies.
When I tell you that it's been more than one day, this is like day 5 here. Mind blown, bouncy, juicy. If y'all want healthy, strong, and massive hair growth, I'm telling you right now, this is it right here. Y'all have to give this mask a try. And let me know in the comment section down below if y'all want to see the pumpkin version of this mask. I'll be sure to have it for you guys soon. I love you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beauties.
Hey, really ain't no need for waiting. Every day feel like it's a celebration. Good times, good vibes, gotta turn it up. Tune in to Bellamy. See